Assalamu alaikum everyone. So it has been 2 months of a very good crypto moment, and I don't know, the time still is there, and we are continuing. Now there are some few more things I'm trying to crack through with Luna Classic right now. So even though you're down at 16,233, as I said yesterday, that I think the area is a little bit extended. You do have a lot of stop losses being placed right at this wick over there, so we may be looking to take out the stop losses and then try to probably pump back up again. Yesterday on the 1 hour time frame, I was looking at this little bit of activity on the RSI, so I'm going to show you. And it's only that we are finding some buyers at the moment. You may see that you are pushing the prices down like this, but when you look at the RSI, the RSI is climbing to the upside, and that is a good sign. It is indeed a good sign. Let's get into the 4 hour time frame and try to see if the same activity is happening. So it's a regular bullish divergence. This is known as a regular bullish divergence when you are going down and you probably are just moving sideways on the RSI. So there is a little bit of a buying activity from the buyers as well, which tells me that we may see something happen. So these are two things, and there's one more thing I want to talk about on the daily time frame. As I spoke in yesterday's video that I think there's an Elliott wave theory going on. So I don't know if it's Elliott or Elliott, can someone tell me? And this is 1, 2, 3 being the biggest one. This can be 4 anywhere down there, and we are still waiting to see if we can have that fifth wave all the way up to 31,902, right? There are so many coins that are breaking above and they're looking to push even a little bit higher, but I'm going to still say that, be very, very careful if Luna Classic starts to drop to the downside. Now what I want to say on the daily is the following, which is the point number 3 basically. So on the 1 hour time frame we have bullish divergence. On the 4 hour time frame it's a regular bullish divergence. On the daily time frame there is a pattern that looks very, very similar to one another, and that is when Luna Classic pushed up here, we saw the very same retracement down like this before we didn't really push higher. So this retracement, this one right over there, is very, very similar to what is happening at the current time right over here, okay? And some people may even say it's almost like an extended flag on a different time frame, and we probably could be popping out of it to go to the upside. No arguments there, maybe it is, but I do believe that what has happened right over here is pretty much the same what happened here, given that the outcome may be the same as the outcome that happened here and you pushed up. This can have a very similar situation where you push to the upside. But if, let's say, if you do end up coming up like this again, the next time you come down may be for a BC correction and you may continue to go even lower. So be careful on that department. There is one more wave. I'm really expecting one more wave. I'm not very bearish on it, but then again, we're going to see what happens. And that's it for this update on Luna Classic. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.